In less than 30 minutes, a rocket destined for the moon blasts into the night sky. Now, the rocket launches about 3 hours from here, but the National Mall is a key place to see it soar. And that's where we join Richard Reeve live tonight with the latest. Richard.
Audrey, this is really cool. We're told if you look in a southeastern direction, you should be able to see that rocket. It'll be low on the horizon, though, only about 10 to 20 degrees above the horizon. But check this out here behind me. They're having a watch party here at the Lincoln Memorial. A lot of folks gathering to see that rocket as it takes off at 11:27 tonight. This particular rocket's red glare,
I think people are excited about it.
Will be visible from National Mall landmarks like the Lincoln Memorial.
Sounds like some people are going to be excited to watch the rocket launch here tonight.
The launch of the Minotaur rocket from Wallops Island will be a space exploration first for the Old Dominion, the first spacecraft to go from Virginia to the moon.
It was certainly a very exciting time.
Chris Benny is a retired McDonnell Douglas engineer who worked in the Apollo program from 1966 to 1969.
I'd like to see us go on to Mars and some of the planets further out personally.
After a series of orbits, the Minotaur will launch a probe about the size of a small car called the Lunar Atmosphere and Dust Environment Explorer, or LADEE for short. The LADEE will circle the moon at airplane altitude for about 100 days, studying the moon's atmosphere.
See if we can see if there are dust storms. Now that'll have a big impact on us when we do robots on the lunar surface and eventually when people go back to the moon.
Like any Earth-to-Moon voyage, this mission will have its risks. Scientists will have to spin the aircraft, aiming it toward the moon, then slow it down for the approach.
We only got one chance to get it in lunar orbit, so it's pretty exciting.
Space exploration watchers like Nancy Benny hope this mission will lead to many others.
I don't think we should ever stop exploring anything. We need to learn a lot more.
So a lot of folks out here to watch this amazing launch. This will not be a short journey. It will take 20 days just to get to the moon. Then the probe will circle around the moon for about 100 days. It will send information back and then run out of fuel and crash into the moon. But tonight, quite a show. Live from Northwest Washington, Richard Reeve, ABC 7 News.
And Mr. Lincoln hosting the watch party.